Hi guys, before we start, please like and subscribe. This will help you see more content in the future. Afternoon guys, well, still in lockdown and it hasn't stopped me. I'm up to hamburger number 6 to find the best hamburger in Melbourne. So we're now at Patty Smith Hamburgers in Moorabbin. It was a referral from Steve. So let's go check it out and see what it's like. Hi, how you going?
Hi, how are you? I'm gonna get
Yeah, can I get the original, please?
original.
Yeah.
Do you want that as a combo?
Yes, please. Yeah, that would be great.
Do you want a small or large?
Small, thanks. So, which one of you guys is a better hamburger maker? He is.
Yeah. It's like a master.
Master.
Yeah.
Grandmaster, huh?
Master, yeah.
Excellent.
What's different with our burgers, we smash them, as you saw with that
Yeah.
big heavy club sort of thing.
Yeah.
So it gets a little bit more crispy than your normal burger.
Yep.
So what makes our burgers different from all the other burger places? We smash it
Yeah.
with this heavy club sort of thing,
Yeah.
and we smash it so it gets a little bit thinner and a little bit more crispy.
Excellent. It tastes better.
Like a
Thank you, man. That's excellent. That's fine. What was your name?
Tanner.
Dano. Thanks, buddy.
No worries.
Appreciate it.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Well guys, I got my burger. Crew was really friendly in there, helped me out with some information. Check that out. Yummy. That's Patty Smith's original. God, that looks good. Look at that. Really tasty. I'm enjoying it. It's a cold day, so it's a perfect day for a burger. Got some chips with it, and they smash the burger down, and they cook it really well. And it's a thin patty, but really tasty. Got food all over me again. So as usual, I'm making quick work of this because I'm hungry, and this is bloody tasty. This is not bad, guys. Yeah, really nice burger. So burger, chips, and a drink cost me $18. It's not bad value. Where does it rank? You'll have to wait. But hey, it's up there. I have a favourite at the moment, which I'm not going to reveal at the moment, but this is pretty good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Burger number 6, Patty Smith in Moorabbin. Come down. I'll leave you the link. Yeah, I'd come down. It's not a bad place. So till next time, ciao for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe for future content. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.